All right, next tutorial is going to be how to add products to Shopify. All right, each store, I want you to add 4 products. It could be the same product duplicated. It looks better if you add 4 different products, but if you want to move fast, you can add the same product and duplicate it. So we're going to go to a store. First, I'm going to go into my Shopify partners. So if I'm here, if I want to do Exhale Swim, I'll log in to Exhale Swim. Once I log in, this will be the page that you'll see. If you want to see the actual store in the back office, you click Online Store. Online Store will show you the InstaShop theme. To get into the theme, you will select Customize. But I don't want to get into the theme. I just want to add products. So I go to Products. Then it allows me to add my first product. So again, now I would source the content because I know this is Exhale Swim. I'll go here, copy the name. I'll go to Instagram. I'll search for Exhale Swim. All right, it's right there. All right, so I would grab some pictures off of her page. I'll go here. I just download a picture. All right, download a picture. It looks better if you do 4 different pictures. Boom. I download a picture. I don't think this one downloaded. All right, download a picture. And I want to try to get bright pictures. All right, download a picture. So I'll click Add Products. And what I usually do, I name it Test. Test. And I'll do a price point. Any price point that makes sense. For clothing, usually like $30. For hair, you want to put like $200. I always select to untrack the quantity. And then I'll just select Add Images. Now I usually enter all 4 pictures in the first product. All right, and then I just save it. That's it. Now here is how you move faster. After you save the product, it's 2 ways to enter the second product. I could either create another product or I can just hit duplicate. I hit duplicate and I name the second product Test 2. And I always duplicate the product images. So duplicate. And now the images are duplicated, and instead of me re-entering them, I can just drag this one over or drag any one over, and now this is the main image. So now I have 2, and I can duplicate it again, name it Test 3. And now I'll drag this one over and make this one the main image. This one doesn't want to incorporate. All right, there we go. So now this is the main image. Duplicate it, reset, Test 4. And then last but not least, I'll grab this one. Boom. That's Test 4. Alright, so now I have 4 products that I've done. So I can go back to all products to see it. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, so it shows a new image. Alright, I go back to Online Store. If I want to enter those products here, I go to Customize. And the way to enter them, you'll go to Home Page, Add Content, Product. Select the product, Test 1, boom. I always do half width because it looks cleaner half width. Product, half width, test 2, add a product, path width, test 3, product, path width, test 4. Alright, so I can click the arrow to bring it back up. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as we see, the sizing doesn't really look too good between 3 and 3. So 2. So what I would do is I would adjust 3 to be beside 1. That one's still a little bit long. And then test 2 is 4. So let's try test 4 to be beside this one. Alright, so that's closer. So now these two look good size by size, and this picture is a little bit bigger. So the fastest way I would do it, I would hit save, and I would just eyeball it. I can say, okay, this one is a little bit longer, so I can go back and go back into the theme. And you can always open it up in new tabs so you don't have to close out of it. And you can work and just easily refresh. So I'll go back to products, go to test 3, and in Shopify it allows you to edit the picture right inside of the picture. So you click the lines here, click edit image, crop, freeform. Alright, and it looks like it's about that much. I'll click done, save it, and then if I want to just view it on the live store, I can just hit the eyeball. Yep, perfect. That's how you add a product.